Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are looking at the highly popular topic, how to stop snoring naturally. I'm sure we all agree that snoring is one of the most annoying things that exist. They wake up those who sleep near you, or worse still, they do not let you sleep, and the person who snores generates a dry throat. And sadly no one is free to be around a chronic snorer in their family, but don't worry. Luckily there is a solution, and today in Curious Fact, we will show you 10 tricks that you can implement if you want to stop snoring in the past. Tell us if there is someone in your family who snores, and do not forget to show them this video, or perhaps you are that annoying little person who snores. I don't know to tell us about it here below, you know that we always read them. Now are you ready? How to stop snoring forever. Number 1. Sleep on your side. If you tend to sleep on your back, simply changing your sleeping position can help reduce or even end your annoying snoring altogether. When you sleep on your back, the base of your tongue and soft palate fold into the back wall of your throat. This process obstructs breathing and causes loud snoring. Number 2. Stop smoking. Among all the other harmful things that smoking does to your body, it also irritates the lining of the nasal cavities and throat. In essence, your nasal passage becomes congested, so breathing through your nose becomes increasingly difficult. And this process never stops, as the congestion only increases with each cigarette you smoke. If you are a smoker with snoring problems, you really need to kick this habit if you want to stop snoring for good. Number 3. Raise your pillow. Raising your pillow can help you get rid of snoring in just a night or two. The secret is that when you lie down, you put pressure on your airways and make your breathing a little more difficult. The result is obvious: loud, hard to stop snoring. But raising your head has the opposite effect, taking this pressure off and helping you breathe more steadily and deeply. Number 4. Drink more water. There are certain secretions in our nose and soft palate that get stickier if we don't drink enough water. This, of course, leads to an airway obstruction which, as you may already know, can create snoring. That is why you should drink at least 8 glasses of water during the day and an additional one about an hour before going to bed. Just a couple of days of this new hydration regimen and you will notice a big difference. Number 5. Clean your bedroom. Allergies play a big role in snoring. Nasal congestion and inflammation practically don't give your system another option. So, when nothing that we have presented in the previous points is working, maybe it is time to get an allergy test. The trigger can be anything from your diet to your sleeping environment. Number 6. Follow a healthy diet. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can lead to constant snoring, as it can cause your throat to narrow when you are lying down, leading to noisy breathing. Healthy foods that can help you get rid of weight-related snoring include fish, honey, olive oil, pineapple, and peppermint. Number 7. Cut down on alcohol. Having a glass of wine with dinner is fine. But in general, more alcohol means more snoring. Alcohol overly relaxes the muscles of the airways, leading to even greater collapse of the airways and, worse, snoring. Number 8. Consume vitamin C. One of the main causes of airway blockage that leads to snoring is blocked sinuses. Fortunately, vitamin C can help cleanse your sinuses, strengthen your immune system, and promote respiratory health. Number 9. Use eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is widely known for clearing chest colds. Raw eucalyptus reduces inflammation and improves respiratory conditions, while its essential oil is rich in antioxidants and has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. To take advantage of this miraculous plant, there are several things you can do with it. Start by putting a couple of eucalyptus leaves in a steam inhaler and breathing through your nose and mouth. This method will allow you to clean your sinuses before sleeping. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.